Remember your hundredths chart? You're gonna need it again today. And if for some reason you've lost it, I did put a link in for an online one you could use as well. Today, you're gonna solve the 100 chart mysteries made by your classmates. I'd like you to solve at least 2. Feel free to solve as many as you want. And if you want to, you can send a photo of your solved work. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. And I can send that to the person that created the 100 chart mystery. In the email your parents got, there's a link for our website, 100 chart mysteries. When you click it and open it, it's going to bring you to this website, which is part of my math website, where I've put the 100 chart mysteries. And if you go down, you'll see there's Madame Megan's class, and you can click through on the arrows to see the different ones for Madame Megan's class, if that's the class you're in, or if it's not the class you're in and you want to solve one of those, that's fine. Then there's Madame Kelsey's class is the second class, and you can click through and you can find one that you might want to solve. Madame Ashley's class is at the bottom in the yellow square, and the same thing, you can click through to find one that you might want to solve. If you cannot find your hundreds chart, there is an option I put here for one that's online. So if you click this, it's going to open up an online hundreds chart. And it's nice because you can pick a color and then you can select the numbers you want. It looks like this. I'm just going to show you what I might do if it was me and I didn't have my hundreds chart. To make sure I can see the numbers. Let's go down. I'm going to do this first one here for Madame Kelsey's class with my hundreds chart that's online. I'm going to pick a color. Let's pick orange. The first number here is 2, 6, 12, 16, 13, 15, 22, 24, 26, 32, 36, 42, 46. And now I've done this one. I've solved it. Oh, and I can tell what it is. It's a letter. I'm not going to say in case you still want to solve this one, but I'm pretty sure I know that it's a letter, and I think I might even know it's a letter of this person's name. Enjoy your math today. I've given you a little subtraction practice today too. It's just 4 questions. And right after this, I'm going to show you how to do them, but also feel free to pause here to copy them down. Some of the subtraction questions I gave you today were quite big, and they have bigger numbers than we've ever used for subtraction. But I want you to think about them just in terms of your tens bundles or your base 10, and you're going to see that it's not hard to solve them. This first one right here says 20 take away 10. If I have 20, that's 2 tens. If I have 20, here's my 20, and I take away one of the tens, how much is left? Just 10. We know this is 10 because always the rods are 10. So that would be 10. Oh, now I have 40. So that's 4 tens. Let's put them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. Okay, here's my 4 tens. How many do I take away? Just 10. 1 10. Oh. I can see easily now I have 3 tens, which is 10, 20, 30. That's 30. We've got 40 again. So I'll put my 4 back. There's 4. That's 40. 4 tenths is 40. This time I'm taking away 20. 2 tenths. 1, 2. How many are left now? Just 20 are left. 2 tenths. If you think about these bigger numbers in terms of tens and 10 bundles, it won't be as hard. And then the more you practice, you're going to start to see it in your brain without even having to check. Here's your subtraction again. Enjoy your math today.